Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is making waves with its improved repairability and durability features. In a teardown video, it earned an impressive repairability score of 9 out of 10, thanks to its modular design and easy-to-remove battery. The device boasts an expanded cooling system with a larger vapor chamber, ensuring optimal performance. One of the key highlights is the new Gorilla Glass armor protection, which, despite some drop test mishaps, offers superior scratch resistance and anti-reflective properties. The glass reduces reflections by up to 75%, enhancing the viewing experience, especially in well-lit environments. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also impresses with its battery life, delivering up to 7 hours of screen-on time on a single charge, thanks in part to the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. While the S24 Ultra offers incremental updates, it's a solid choice for those seeking top-notch performance, durability, and an improved display experience. Whether you're considering an upgrade or sticking with your current Samsung device, these enhancements are worth taking note of.